Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fifth Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 2nd, 2020. We have here only one binary Sudoku in this additional, and this will be a number 1674. Yes, 1674. All right. Apologies. Okay. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1's in this column, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. 4 1's in this row, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1's in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Then I need to compare. I think I need to compare. Yes. Let me do this. 101. The second row and this row 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1's, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. And 4 1's, the rest are O's. Finished in 4 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the first tectonic in this additional. So see you later. Bye bye for now.